are live. We are live and we are digital business owners. By the way, my name is Nessan from Illinois. I'm a physical therapist assistant.
Yeah, my name is Regina. I'm here in Canada and I'm a former mental health care worker.
I'm Amy from Hawaii, a healthcare nurse.
Yes. Ano, ang aming mga problema, ang aking mga problema dito sa abroad ay dito sa abroad, kahit nasa abroad ka man, kung saan ka man, kahit subsubs ka sa trabaho, still marami pa rin akong utang.
For me, gusto ko rin pong magkaroon ng not magandang, but magkaroon ng oras sa aking family kasi puro trabaho dito sa Amerika. So, I need more time with my family.
Gusto kong mag-retire and travel the world without worries.
Ang aming solusyon, digital online business.
Yes, join and have fun with us. Digital journey is on the go.
Business opportunity that you will never miss.
Yeah, okay, register in our website.
Yay!
Check us out.
Thanks, everyone.